Ladies and gentlemen, now I shall introduce you my report entitled Enhancing National Chi Nan University Campus Ecological Friendliness by Creating a Butterfly Habitat using Reclaimed Water. The authors here, the first is our president, Professor Dong-Xin Wu, and I.C. Liu, and the other four authors are dean, director, and researchers. Our university, NCNU, is located at central Taiwan, a small town called Pulitong, Nantou County, Taiwan, ROC. We have another name, Chinese Taipei. We used this name to join Olympic Games just a few days before. My report outline begins with introduction, survey the biological resources in 2018, then creating a butterfly habitat in 2019. Finally, it is my conclusion. The right-hand side is the birdie map of Sun Pond, and you can see three main roads for survey can be found in the left-down figure. Our university has a green coverage of 87% on land area, and the NCNU has already planted 85 native species of tree in number, thus providing a habitat for many animals. There are 4 ways to improve ecological friendliness of NCNU, say ecological survey, habitat creation, environmental education, and finally the feedback. Then we will perform PDCA. Due to the 2 campus administration units and the 2 mainly support projects, a series of relevant activity and introductory curricula were launched. You can see from the left-hand side, the picture shows a public artist. You can see rainbows 2 times one day at suitable times. The surveying of biological resource of NCNU in 2018. Mainly the butterflies is the most important, vivid, beautiful, and interesting insects. We make a survey to know the temporal and the spatial distribution of butterflies, and this provides a basic information on campus conservation and for vegetation and for sustainable management. Therefore, we can establish an eco-friendly campus. Table 1 is the record of survey results on May to November on 2018. 3 routes are included: the main road, motorbike lane, administration, teaching area. The results are done by the method of transected lines. From August to October, the species and the individual are more than other months, and we found the species of butterfly has 122, all the individuals more than 5.6 thousand. Taiwan is a small island with only 36,000 square kilometers, but it has 418 species of butterfly, which is more than Japan and the UK. And the Nantou County has 330 species. Pulitong has 224 species. Our school, NCNU, has 122 species. In addition to butterflies, NCNU has many creatures such as eagles, snakes, owls, spiders, wild rabbits, and pangolins, and so on. Previous butterfly survey was conducted on 2018 for a period of 24 weeks. We published a handbook for butterfly larvae for the main findings, established we identify that the butterfly should be one of the key indicators for ecological feature of NCNU. Here we can find the community residents were able to help us to create the butterfly habitats. And you can also see, the scenario is quite different in 2020. Yeah, the color becomes very, very green. Students began to construct a butterfly habitat together with the community residents in courses. Here, the reclaimed water from sewage treatment factory was irrigated for the plants in these habitats. The age of the habitat was embraced recycled wood from dead trees. At the end of the report, a film about flying butterfly will be played. Initially, 3 courses was devoted to creating butterfly habitats. You can see students established the bulletin boards and interpretation boards to address the nectar-rich and herbivorous plants. Students fertilize these plants with compost from the falling leaves. At that time, 18 species of plants was raised around the region. Biological conservation, for example, students were decomposed into 6 groups to plant herbivorous and nectar-rich bush. The right-hand side picture shows their achievement. After 1 year, some wood about the rain embracing the habitats was destroyed due to high humidity outdoors and the exposure to the rain. Participants recovered it using newly obtained wood from the tree. Again, proper maintenance and management were necessary every half a year. To ensure the success of our endeavor, we surveyed near the habitats 1 more times on 2020. We can see from the first 3 rows, from July to October, the amount of butterfly are quite uniform. This shows that our habitats are the home of butterfly, and also the monthly average frequency of visits by adult butterfly was 132 times per 30 minutes, and with a peak of 142 times per 30 minutes in September, and totally we found 792 butterfly species. In view of environmental education, purple butterfly in our university have 4 frequently observed species. It is required to learn their immigration paths. We can see from the picture on the right-hand side, purple butterfly moved to the southern part of Taiwan to stay at warmer places for winter. On the contrary, purple flies immigrate to the central and northern parts of Taiwan to keep themselves cooler in summer. A course for learning the life cycle of butterfly on the campus. We can see real material from eggs, larvae, pupils to adult butterflies, and we can observe the whole life cycle of butterflies around the habitat, indicating that butterflies have already been the permanent residents of NCNU. If you are interested to explore our result, please scan the QR code for details. You can find many data on the cloud storage. An event planning for ecology observation on the sun ponds. It takes 60 minutes to enjoy a complete tour with 5 stations Detail can be found in paper version, Stage 1, Green University and Green Map. Stage 2, introduce nectar and herbivorous plants and butterfly biodiversity. Station 3, use the five senses to experience being close to life. Station 4, quality and application of reclaimed water. Station 5, observation, reflection, and feedback. From 2020 to 2021, 6 courses and activities were launched, taking the Sampang as the major places for environmental learning. A total of 527 people participated, and 427 people returned their questionnaires. Okay, we found most participants, i.e. the students, are coming from College of Science and Technology, then followed by those from College of Management, and then by College of Humanity, and the student from the College of Education is fewest. However, we got an average satisfaction point 4.37 over 5 and 4.78 for narrator service. Students give us an extremely high positive feedback on their experiences and perception. Oh, this diagram is the distribution of the student souls. Now the conclusion. Yes, students are willing to participate in joint thinking and carry out joint action to fulfill the university's social responsibility, thereby improving the campus ecological friendliness significantly. Okay, here, thank you for your watching. Now I will show you a short film, please. Thank you very much.